If you wanna see how I turned Zuri from this to this, then keep on watching. Hey sassy people! Welcome to another episode here in SassyToys channel. Today, we are going to restyle my hair fair Zuri Okoty with her wig pack. This doll is from Meteor Collection Last Dolly Days 2022, designed by Vaughan Sawyers, with a total price of $160 plus shipping and handling for the W Club members. This Zuri Okoty doll has the body type of Meteor 1.0, with skin tone of light honey, with a hair color of blonde flocked hair, and with hand-applied eyelashes. Here are the accessories that comes with this doll. So here's the first look of Zuri Okoty doll before the restyle. Before restyling this doll, let's start to remove all of our outfit and accessories. Since our doll has flocked hair, we are just going to let her use all of her wigs and give her different looks. Let's start from this shoulder length aqua wig. For the first look, let's give her a sporty kind of fashion to match her aqua wig. here's the modeling video of the Restyling Zuri Okoty doll.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me, cause she got a bad little waist. And we tearing down this place, off the liquor that we chase. Casamigos to the face, baby I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine. Got a fine little body and her mind's kinda naughty. They say that once you taste it, you cannot replace it. She could get you high, all the dopamine inside triggers fast once she's naked. Her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement. There is no replacement, a body by Satan. Cause she got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place, off the liquor that we chase. Casamigos to the face, baby I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
For me, she's 100% sassy.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
So there we have it, guys. What do you think? Which one is your favorite look? Please comment down below. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And make sure to hit that little bell button to receive our latest update. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Here's the comment of the day. Thank you.
I work on the shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been